Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you love wearing a unique pair of earrings, then these ones are going to be your favorite.
These butterfly earrings from TEBIHOYO are so beautiful. I love the intricate design of them. They are just absolutely breathtakingly gorgeous. They are 24 karat gold plated, and I just love that it looks like a butterfly came and landed on your earring. These are so comfortable to wear, and they actually come with two different kinds of earring backs, which I really appreciate since my holes are a little bigger. I like using the ones that really support an earring and keep it up higher, and these work perfectly for me. I love that they come in a beautiful gift box, so they are ready to give to someone you love. And I have given these to myself because I am just completely obsessed with wearing them.
They are just such a amazing piece to add to my jewelry collection, and I couldn't be more happy. And that's my point of view.